On some of these lead capture pages and sales pages, you're going to notice this area here that's kind of transparent that goes around the videos. And so this video that you're watching now is going to teach you how to change the color of that transparency and how to make it less transparent or not transparent at all. So if you'll notice, you can see behind that area there, you can actually see the video behind that. And here's another template that I was working on that I wanted a specific color for that area. And so you get the idea. You're going to want to be able to change that transparency to any color you want. And if you want to make it non-transparent, you need to be able to know how to do that. So it's actually very simple to do. There's a link below this video that's going to bring you to this page right here. So the first thing you're going to do is scroll down, and you're going to use this little chart thing here to help you find the perfect color. And every color in the world boils down to basically three numbers, RGB, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So when you pick your color, the first thing you want to do is just grab this, left click with your mouse, and pull it to the closest that you can think of, whether it be, brown down here or blue or purple. Let's just find a nice blue here. And then I use this circle over here and drag it around to really dial in the exact color that I'm looking for. And notice how those numbers change as I drag this around. And so when I find the perfect color, I'm going to stop and look at here, RGB. You're going to write down those numbers in order, 67, 104, and 238. So once I have that perfect color, I'm just going to jump back to the page that I'm working on. I'm going to click on Edit. I'm going to click on Edit Text. All you're going to do is click on Source. And the way you do a search is Control F on your keypad. And for Mac users, I believe it's Command F. The search that I'm doing is for RGB. And look at that. It's right near the top. You barely even have to look for it. And look, here's the three numbers that you have to replace. Just make sure that you don't mess up the commas. I'm going to put those in first. 67 and 104. And the last one is 238. All right. After that comma, there's a 0.7. I actually don't need the 0. You could just have it be 0.7. That is the percentage of the transparency. So if you did not want it to be transparent at all, you would turn this into the number 1. If you wanted it to be completely almost see-through or whatever you want to call it, it would be 0.1. All right, so just figure out the level that you want. I'm just going to keep mine where it was at 0.7. I've got my RGB numbers in there, and I am done. I'm going to save my changes, and I'll show you what it looks like. Now, I probably wouldn't use this particular color with this background, but this was just an example. You're going to find this is very simple, and you're going to love being able to do this.